Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool, it is an active force shaping our reality. It has replaced traditional jobs, redesigned our cities, and even governs certain aspects of society. In 2050, AI no longer needs human programmers. It learns, evolves, and even creates better versions of itself. But as AI becomes more autonomous, we must ask, where does human control end? Some believe AI is our greatest ally, capable of solving global crises. Others fear it may soon make choices beyond our understanding. What happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? Will it lead us to a utopian future, or an era of uncertainty?